Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is February 1st, 2025, coming to you from mobile headquarters. Just got done with my daily walk. I'm kind of easing back into it. Did about 23 minutes. Full, not running, but walking fast. And my jacket zipper broke. My black jacket. I got to have Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 fix it or sew it or something. So March 7th, love them, like them, anywhere in the middle, President Trump is holding the first White House crypto summit, and you're bearish? Guys, I'm not happy with where the crypto market's at, believe me. That said, Trump, love him or hate him, this week, March 7th, is having the first White House cryptocurrency summit. Just in case you didn't hear that, let me say it one more time. March the 7th, President Trump is having the first ever cryptocurrency summit. And you're bearish? That's the video. Love y'all. Bye-bye.